Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're here today with Arod next to
Meister.
Yo, this is Arod Millie. Thank you guys for joining me today on this video. In this first step, I'ma be picking out the hair, drying it with the blow dryer. I just colored it, I just washed it. Pick out the hair, blow dryer, drying the hair. If you don't like the way I explain this shit, look at my face, I don't care. Who cares? Before the cut, get prepared. I got the gloves that you can't wear. Destination, new level wear. Come with me, I'll take you there. The last cut I did was a square. They said it's weird and rare. And don't forget that Will Smith rocked it on the first Prince of Bel-Air. No other barber is crazier than me. Creating new bags, creating new keys. Never forget it to hit the subscribe so you can learn it for free. Yeah, number 2 on the guard. With the way motion was how I decided to start. Hitting it up and out, without a doubt. They are just thirsty for clout. Free route, get out of my way. I got 0 time just to play. No time. In this game I became to be LeBron James and the NBA. Quieres un estilo muy fino, con la cera yo lo maquino. Ayúdame a llegar a tu nivel, no te preocupes, después te me viro. Espero termino. Tengo la máquina así como vino, marcando la V bajita. Tú me sigues, estás conmigo. Con el trimmer yo lo despilo. Dale suave, no lo dejes rojo vivo. Que ya terminamos la base y ahora yo lo difumino. Con la 1 comienzo, paso a paso porque esto es un proceso. Qué flow, qué show, no manín, tú no sabes de eso. Estamos subiendo de rango, a un nivel nuevo estamos entrando. Pero tranquilo, que el tren no ha salido y ya está coronando. We're leveling it up, and rank it up. Level 3 is the level to be. The east just got turned into dust. Estoy calentando, yo ando volando y a otro planeta ya estoy llegando. Pero tranquilo, vente conmigo, lo que aprendo te lo estoy enseñando. La máquina viro, duro recortando, así que lo escribo. Pa' abajo la línea borrando, pendiente de lo que yo digo.
Oh no, this is Arod with another one. Yeah,
I'm too strong for this. You ready?
Let's go.
Look at the flick of my wrist, rubber protecting my hand and my fist. They're trying to order some hits on me. Better hit it with the blitz and quits. Hit it with the corner of the blade like this. Triple patty, double Swiss. Shaping the front of the cut. Tell your barber to do it like this. Flip the clipper with the 1. While you're doing it, have some fun. You're gonna get paid in the tip. Then you won. Prepare the front line for the line. After the fiber, you can align. Making everything look fresh and crispy. Then a design. That should be fine. And that should be fine. That should be lit. It's time to define. There's no time to quit. Look at that lineup. Let me get a close up. Let me rewind. Not the rewind. Just let it play. It's totally fine. It's totally okay. Look at that line. Look at that fade. Make it that box with the corner of the blade. With the corner of the blade, what? With the center of the blade, who? Look at that line so sharp. Satisfying. On your haircut, take your time. Life is short, time is flying. I don't care what you do with yours, I only care what I do with mine. Estamos subiendo de rango, a un nivel nuevo estamos entrando. Pero tranquilo, que el tren no ha salido y ya está coronando. We're leveling it up, and rank it up. Level 3 is the level to be. The east just got turned into dust.
Welcome to the halftime show, brought to you by Arod and all his fans. And now he's using the shave gel and his own Millie blade. Oh yeah, satisfaction. Ooh, yes sir. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, pero bueno, que lo que, ya yo estoy marcando la V, enseñándote todas mis técnicas a mis tigres por YouTube. Por YouTube yo nunca lo tuve. Tuve que aprender yo soleado, campeado esquineado, con la esquina del trimmer marcando la línea de al lado. La línea de al lado, la marco bajita, la marco pegado, la marco virado. La saco la V en my tiger, la termino en el cerquillo cuadrado. Cuadrado es fincado. Aquí yo no fío pana mío. El Caribe está muerto encendido. Los body y los dummies son míos. Que es la que hay, con qué lo que. La cámara yo la acerqué. Bacano mi hermano. Pa' mi clase que llegue temprano. Que llegue temprano, que lleguen contentos. Manito, tómate asiento. Pendiente atento. Que mi navaja te corta hasta el viento. Te corta hasta el viento, mi máquina corta hasta el pelo de arriba, maniga. Si quieres que siga no bulto, si me tira, te sepulto. Pelo de arriba yo oculto, yo te lo enseño, yo no te lo oculto. Me tiran incultos, los activos se crecen y se viran. Estamos subiendo de rango, a un nivel nuevo estamos entrando. Pero tranquilo, que el tren no ha salido y ya está coronando. We leveling it up, and ranking and ranking and rank it up. Level 3 is the level to be. The each just got turned into dust. It was full of rust, it was full of dust. Sorry I don't eat the crust. You call my kings, called you all in. That 2 and a 10 is a bluff. Yeah, that 2 and a 10 was a bluff. Look at that blue on the top, it's as cold as a frost. I'ma put a little bit of cream on top. Make it soft, make it soft. Make it soft, make it soft. Tap it down, type it up. Tap it down, tap it down, yeah. Pull out the sponge, yeah. Put it on top, pop. Going around and round, like a clock. Time is almost up, check your time clock. Stay out of my business, if you wanna come in, just knock. You've knocked on the door, you've knocked on the floor. I shut that door and unlock. Tú no te metas conmigo, o lo que viene retata. Quieres un estilo muy fino, con la cero yo lo maquino, Ayúdame a llegar a tu nivel, no te preocupes, después te me viro. Espero termino, tengo la máquina así como vino. Marcando la V bajita, tú me sigues, estás conmigo. Con el trimmer yo lo depilo, dale suave, no lo dejes al rojo vivo. Que ya terminamos la base y ahora yo lo difumino. Con la 1 comienzo, paso a paso porque esto es un proceso. Que flow, que show, no manito, no sabes de eso. Estamos subiendo de rango, a un nivel nuevo estamos entrando. Pero tranquilo, que el tren no ha salido y ya está coronando. We leveling it up, and ranking and ranking and rank it up. Level 3 is the level to be. The each just got turned into dust.